Okay, dear students, let us see how to do this question. A pendulum oscillating near the surface of the earth swings with time period capital T. What is the time period of the same pendulum near the surface of the planet Mercury where the gravitational field strength is 0.4 g? Okay, so as per the Earth is concerned, let's see, and we are talking about the pendulum. So the formula is given in your data booklet that the formula for the pendulum is 2 pi root of L by G. So definitely time period is dependent on the acceleration due to gravity, and this is on Earth. So I'm just going to call it T, and T dash is the time period of the simple pendulum on the planet Mercury, and that will be 2 pi. L is not going to change, but the gravity has changed. So gravity becomes 0.4, like this. I just substituted the new value of gravity there. Length is going to be the same. So this is the time period on the Mercury. Now, and we have to just find the time period in the terms of capital T. So how can we do that? We can just take this 0.4 common. So uh, just don't get confused, okay? Like the calculations might be confusing at times, but we have to make it simple somehow. So this, I have just segregated this thing, I have just separated this thing and that thing separate. Why? Because I just want to substitute this complete term, that is T, here. So this will become capital T divided by 0.4 square root. So this is our new time, that is T dash. So this we have to now find out. So we can find this with the help of calculator. Otherwise also, so you have the calculators, you can do it. I'm just doing without calculator here. So this decimal can be removed. It can be taken as this into capital T. So the approximate value will be like 10. The square root of 10 will be like 3 threes are 9 and 4 fours are 16. So it should be approximately equal to 3. And in the case of 4, it will definitely be equal to 2. So my answer will be nearly 1.5. So my answer will be 1.5 capital T. By this much of the approximation, you see that yes, the answer is coming out to be equal to C. But because calculator is allowed to you, you can use the calculator. Let me see if I have the calculator. Yeah. So by using this, I have to find 1 divided by zero point 0.4 square root. Yes, equal to 1.58. Yes, so exactly I'm getting 1.6 here with the help of my calculator, so the answer has to be C. Let us see it from the mark scheme also. Yes, the answer is C. Okay, my dear students, this is how we do this question. This is Professor Varun. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget, and share the YouTube channel with all your friends. All the best. Bye.